In this video, I'll show you how to add a team member in Square Dashboard. First, sign into your Square account and open the dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Staff and Payroll or Team, depending on the features available in your account. Next, select Team Members and click Add Team Member. Enter the person's first name, last name, email address, and any other required contact information. After that, assign a job title, choose the appropriate permissions, and select the locations where the team member will work if your business has multiple locations. You can also configure a passcode for Square POS, hourly pay, and other payroll settings if those features are enabled for your account. Now, review all of the information you've entered to make sure the permissions and access levels are correct. Save the team member's profile, and if available, send an invitation so they can activate their account and access the tools you've assigned to them. Finally, return to the Team Members section whenever you need to update permissions, edit employee details, manage schedules, or deactivate access for existing staff members. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a team member in Square Dashboard. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.